Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to show you my new rubric, my new scary, interesting rubric, which is called Let's Fix It. I'm going to buy designs on Adobe Stock and I'm going to fix it to make them more interesting and you can get more sales. If you're interested in that rubric, then let me know in the comments below and I'm going to make more videos like this. And now guys, if you don't scare it, then let's start our video. So guys, now you see the first design. It's not bad design, it's pretty simple design and you can make it more interesting and tasty. And it means you can get more sales. And now let's go to Adobe Illustrator and let's look what I did with that design. So guys, now you see the design, it looks pretty good. But it's not bright, not Halloween mood, and we need here more bright colors, more interesting violet, more interesting orange, and as well I don't like this circle around the text and around the bats and around the pumpkin. I understood that it looks like pumpkin, but I think without that circle it will be look more interesting. And now let's look what I did with this illustration. I made a few options of this design. The first one, this one. It looks more juicy, more Halloween, more scary because of orange color here and because of more paper effect here. I made it just with help of gradients. There is no shadows, only gradients. You see here only gradients. So I made this part of the design looks like paper cutout and now it looks more interesting. As well, you can add some details. For example, here you see the spider or here the spider web. And as well, you can change the color of the text Happy Halloween to highlight this text. As well, now you see their violet color. Now here, that violet color looks more Halloween than that violet color. It's more scary, more brighter, more Halloween. And the last one, this one. Here I use bright green color to highlight Happy Halloween and add some details on background and add other violet color and as well add here details to create more Halloween view. So guys, when you create designs, for example on the theme Halloween, you need to know the main colors of that holiday and when you can create more tasty and more Halloween designs, and then you can get more sales. Now you see the next design, it's the same, not the bad design, but here you can make some changes to make it more interesting and of course get more sales. And now let's go to Adobe Illustrator. So guys, the next design, this one, here I don't like that I don't see the castle, it looks not interesting, and as well I don't like the moon and I think it will be better to make the pumpkin a little bigger. And as well I want to highlight some text. Let's look what I did. Okay guys, there is my option. I made the moon more brighter. Now you see the castle. It looks more interesting. And I made the windows here like the color on the moon. And as well, I made the pumpkin bigger and changed the color of the eyes, of the nose, and of the mouth of the pumpkin. And now it's more interesting and more Halloween look, and now it's eye-catching. And as well, I highlighted their text, their free turn and doors open at 7 p.m. And now with help of this, text doesn't look like the one, and I highlighted this information, and now you can see when you can go to the Halloween party, and you can see it better when the whole text with the same color. So guys, now I need your opinion. What do you think how I changed the designs, and do you like that new rubric? If yes, please let me know in the comments below. And do you want more videos like this? If yes, I will create some more videos where I fix the designs and made them more interesting.